Hey guys, this is Code Man's Auto. I got a good one for you today. 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. Okay, so what we got going on with this Chevrolet Traverse is you can see that we have a traction control light on. Now when the traction control light's off, this Traverse runs and drives fine. But when that light comes on, then we start getting a miss. It even shows up on the RPMs, and let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're cruising along around 35-40 miles per hour, and I am starting to climb a hill. I want to show you when I start giving it the gas. I don't know if you can see that misfire. You see the RPMs jumping, and it's misfiring really bad. Before you go start replacing your spark plugs or replacing your torque converter, thinking it's a torque converter shudder, that's the reason the vehicle's at our shop, because we are a transmission shop, and what we are trying to do is diagnose this to being a transmission problem. Okay, so what's so odd about this, and the way it happens is this traction control light will go out if the vehicle sits overnight. So when you get in it the next morning, you start it up, you drive it about 15 or 20 miles, and then the traction control light comes on, and then it starts misfiring again. It all works at exactly the same time. Just as soon as the traction control light comes on, the vehicle starts running rough and starts to shake, and it really feels like a misfire or a shudder in the transmission. But it's neither. I'm going to show you what is going on with this vehicle. Let's zoom out, and you see how the steering wheel is not straight. The wheels are straight on the vehicle, but the steering wheel is crooked like this as I'm driving down the road. So then the system goes into a safety mode. It thinks that you are sliding out of control, and it starts trying to make adjustments so that you don't wreck. Inside of the steering column, you have a steering angle sensor. Okay, so I'm going to hook the scan tool up to it. My scan tool is good enough that I can actually watch the steering angle sensor and make sure that I have it back to 0. And we're going to straighten the steering up on this car, and then we are going to reset the steering angle back to 0, and I would guarantee you that it will take care of that traction control light. Just to throw this out there, we had a vehicle a couple of weeks ago. We thought it was a steering angle sensor, and it ended up being a brake position sensor. That brake position sensor sits right up underneath of the dash, and as you push the brake pedal, it moves back and forth. And we was a little bit puzzled at first, and we pulled it in the shop, and we realized while it was sitting there running that the third brake light was on, and that third brake light let us know that there was a problem with that brake sensor. So we replaced the brake sensor, and it took care of all of the problems on that. So check your brake sensor first. If your steering wheel is not straight, then you will want to have your steering wheel straightened up so that the sensor inside of the steering column will know that you are setting at 0 and the steering wheel straight. Let's hook this thing up to a scan tool and see what we come up with. All right, so Cody is resetting the steering angle position sensor, and we'll take it down the road. I got the steering wheel straightened up, and we're going to take it down the road and see if this takes care of the problem. Do live data. Steering column position is at 0. 0? 0. Alright. Steering wheel straight. Steering column position is on 0. Alright guys, we got the steering wheel straight. I am riding down the road. You can see the steering wheel straight. And we have the light is out on our traction control, and we have our steering angle set. No more shuddering. It took care of everything. So if you have this problem on a Chevrolet Traverse, you may have to find someone with a good scan tool to actually be able to diagnose a steering angle problem. But if you have the traction control light coming on and you have what feels like a misfire when the light comes on, this may be what you'll want to look into, is a steering angle position sensor. Hey guys, this is Cold Man's Auto. Please like and please subscribe.